Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. How are you today? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I have my September Ipsy Glam Bag, the regular $12 bag. Let's get in here and see what I've got. I do feel like maybe I cheated, took a peep in the app to see what was going to be in my bag, but I don't remember. That's kind of the beauty of me. I mean, when I want to remember something, it's very disappointing, but sometimes it can be the upside. We'll put a link down below in case you have any interest in going over and checking Ipsy out. This is the $12 bag. As a rule, we get 5 sample size products, but they do throw in full-size products periodically. We get 1 choice for a product that we would like to receive in it, and we get a bag each month. And this month's bag is so cute for fall. With that little plaid, how cute is that? It's like a little envelope purse. So cute. So this month says September 2021 work, school, life. And look, they've matched it to the bag. That is so cute. Whether you are rushing into the office again, commuting and wearing lipstick, or catching up on much needed self-care, get back into the swing of things. And then on the inside, we do indeed have the products that I have received. All right, so let's just look at what I've got. I have some masks and they are Papa Recipe. This one says, they're very close. This one says Bombay Pepta Ampule Honey Mask Pack, and this one says Bombay Pore Ampule Honey Mask Pack. So this one says Pore, and this one says Pepta. Let's see if the paperwork tells us anything more about these. This sheet mask duo has got all your skincare needs covered. It's made with skin-loving ingredients to help hydrate skin and soothe irritation, and to help tighten your pores for a smooth complexion. Plus, they're made of all natural ingredients with 0 dyes, fragrances, or fillers. Wow, this says apply to clean skin for up to 30 minutes. I don't think I've ever used a mask for 30 minutes. And also it lets us know at the top, you are supposed to have $50 in value in product. And then also on the outside, and I believe, this was my choice, is a brush, and it is a blender. I just love blender brushes. Do you guys? I probably use this, I say a million times, I am not an MUA. And I probably use this for far more jobs than a blender brush was ever intended to be used for, but I love it. I like to tap it in and do my buildup up here, which I think is what it's actually for. But then sometimes I have some that are just a skosh smaller than this, and I will tap just the tops in, and that's how I do my edges and blend them in. It's a brush I'm very comfortable with, so whenever a blender brush is offered to me, I'm gonna take it. Paperwork on it though says that it's an SL Miss Glam Marble Eye Blender M15. Fashion meets function. This marble-inspired brush, I have like no marbling on mine. It's like completely white. I mean, I'm fine with that. It's fine. This marble-inspired brush looks ultra cute and has all your makeup needs covered too. Use it with your favorite cream and powder products to apply, blend, shade, and detail with ease and precision. This has a $19 value. By the way, our masks were $3.50 each. $19 seems a little pricey for one SL Miss Glam, but I still love it. All right, now we're down to what is inside my bag, which, by the way, the little thing even says Ipsy. How cute is that? The inside is yellow. It's got the little Ipsy tag. I just love these little bags. I have an eyeshadow. And it is the City Chic palette. I love this. This is a palette. Can you see? Let's get in here. It is from LES, which is Lower East Side. I don't know anything about this brand, but I am fully intrigued and loving the fact that this is a palette. I was getting ready to give my speech about I don't really use single eyeshadow, so I'll go ahead and pass this along. It's plastic, so it's nice little packaging. How cute is that? This is so wearable. I would use that as an all over. I would use this in transition, this to pop a color out of my corner edge, and then that, because you know I like a little brightener in the corner. That is so stinking cute. I mean, can you see the size? It's just, I like it. The paperwork says Les Beauties City Chic Eyeshadow Quad. It has a $19 value. That seems a little pricey for the size, but I don't know the brand, so maybe it's a really good brand. This eyeshadow palette comes with neutral shades, including 3 mattes and 1 shimmer. It fits perfectly into your bag for travel, late nights, and touch-ups. It's basically the ultimate bring everywhere makeup accessory. I was holding it like I had to cover a mirror. There's not a mirror on top. Oh, it's so creamy. Oh my goodness, I thought we'd go ahead and swatch these since there's only 4 of them. So creamy. I mean, really really nice. That's how neutral they are. So the light one is basically coffee colored, so it disappears. You almost can't see it. Those are nice colors. I did the original lighter one over here. Hopefully it'll come up at some level. And that's the 4 of them. I like that a lot. I think exactly like they said, to pack and go. That is so cute. Next out of the bag, I have a tube of H2O Hydration Sensitive Gel Cleanser. Sensitive, it's like they read my profile. Very exciting. This says that it's the ultimate gel cleanser for sensitive, stressed out, redness-prone skin. This formula uses all natural ingredients to gently remove makeup and help refresh and reset your skin without leaving you feeling tight or irritated. This is $28 when it is full priced at 120 mLs. This is 15 mLs. So it's a little more than 10%, and 10% would be $2.80. So let's call this $3.15, just between me and you. Let's land on that number. Well, it's just gonna be a clear gel, so we'll go ahead and leave it sealed until I get to it, but I will absolutely be trying this very soon. I loved everything it said about sensitive, red, irritated skin. That I'm the poster child for that. Last but not least in here, I have a Sophia and Maybelle Wet Blush. That is what that looks like. Just cute little pink packaging. I have it in color Bubbly. Oh, that's really cool looking. That is what it looks like. It's kind of pink component parts in their plastic. I like it. Wet blush. Well, the first ingredient is mica and the second ingredient is talc. So what is wet about it? I do not know. Let's check it out. Oh, it's wet. It's wet. That color is perfection for me, especially like a no makeup day where I just want to add a little bit of color. It's on that finger. Let's swatch that. It went on so creamy and smooth. That color is lovely. I wonder if you could do this with a brush. And it is setting now on my hand. It doesn't feel like, you know, sometimes cream blushes can just basically walk away. You feel like you put them on, you go back a couple hours later, and where are they? And you kind of feel like that even when you're putting it on. You're like, I don't know that I own this all day. This feels like it has just set down into my hand and it's gone dry, but it's still got some glow to it. I don't know this brand, but so far I'm impressed. Sophia and Mabel Wet Blush in Bubbly. It's the most natural looking blush to come across our desks. This unique wet texture melts into your skin to create a realistic looking flush. Blend a tiny bit into the apples of your cheek for a sheer look, or layer it on for a bolder pop of color. And the tip says apply it to the apples of your cheeks using your favorite blush brush or the tips of your fingers. So you can use a brush with this, which is something that I learned to do with cream blushes very recently. And it has an $18 value. This is the one I'm most excited about. Yes, this is the one I am most excited about in this box. But I got this, super happy. A blending brush, very happy. Cleanser for sensitive, irritated red skin, very happy. The cutest little quad ever, very happy. And 2 face masks that once I read the ingredients, if I can use it, very happy. This was a winner. Let me know if you're as happy with your Ipsy as I am with mine for $12. You can't beat it. I mean, even if I just got these 2 for $12, especially now that I know how lovely this is. I mean, I wouldn't go to Sephora and buy a cream blush for less than $12. So yeah, definitely a winner for me. Let me know below, have you tried this? It seems very lovely. Did you find that it stayed? Thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon, guys.